The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no gum chewing, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on the surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good morning. For report, can you hear us okay?
Yes, I can hear you fine, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ronnie Yaddo. This is case number 727090. This is one count disregard red signal. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with the officer, please.
Officer Douglas Nichols, Detroit Police, the 11th Precinct.
And attorney, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. AJ Dowd on behalf of Mr. Yaldo, P67716, Your Honor.
And is your client appearing today, sir?
No, Your Honor, this is a civil infraction. I was hoping we can waive his presence. I can accept the plea on his behalf.
All right, you have the authority to act and do such?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I will waive his appearance for this hearing today. Have we reached the resolution?
Yes,
We have, Your Honor, the officer, who issued the citation has agreed to either an impeding or blockading.
Okay, all right. Having authority to take this off before him, would you like to stipulate to the face of the ticket? To establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll stipulate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you so much to create a factual basis that on May the 21st, 2021, in the area of Mound in East Nevada, Mr. Gatto was driving a Ford vehicle and did impede traffic. They're both 0 points of this. Impede traffic. Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. So the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to impeding traffic. Amended charge. The fine is $175. Your client has 14 days to pay that. So it's due no later than June 15th, 2022.
That's fine, Your Honor. And can I just ask you something, please? I think that this may have abstracted on his record. I'm not sure, but I think it did. If it has, can we please correct the abstract?
Yes. Are you ready to correct the abstract? I'm asking my clerk right now.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, just for the record, he didn't show up on the Zoom 10/28/21. They may have put a warrant out or something or suspended his license or something. I think that's what the attorneys are referring to.
Oh, okay. He had an informal hearing. Oh, he had an informal hearing. Okay. He didn't show up. Okay, so that's what they mean. So we take that off. But he didn't show up, so it's actually. And that's taken off. I'll have to call him. Okay, they're gonna have to call, attorney, they're gonna have to call and see if it can be, because that's what happened on 10/28, if he didn't show up, the default judgment went into effect and it did abstract to his record. So we're gonna see what we can do, okay?
I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, have a good day.
You too, be safe out there, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
45 years strong and still going.
I know that's right. Keep it going, keep it going.
All right.
All right. Attorney Faulkner, did you talk to those two folks?
Yes, Your Honor. I was gonna say, once the points are on your record up there, even though you send amended abstract, it's my understanding they don't take the points off.
Oh, they don't?
That's my understanding. At least on open alcohol and a motor vehicle, I know they don't.
Bad. Officer Robinson, who are you here on today?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Gabriel Worthy.
Okay, that's one of my other hearings, okay. Would you like to talk to the defense attorney about that matter in the breakout room?
I can, sure.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. Breakout room number 1. Mr. Williams, Devin Williams,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning. Are you able to activate your video camera or no?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Devin Williams. This is U ticket 598-86721. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Devin Williams.
Yeah, this is a review date. My client represents he completed. He took the HIV test and he paid the $300. He has not taken the class yet due to work problems, but if he could have 3 more weeks, he'll get it done.
Okay. Is 3 more weeks gonna be enough time, or do you need a month, sir, to make sure you have it done next time you come?
Yes, can we do the month?
I can give you a month, because I want to make sure you have it done. You'll get a certificate that you'll need to provide to the court to show me that you
Okay.
can fix it, okay? So I'm going to
Yes,
put this
ma'am.
out, no problem. I'm gonna put this out until July 1st. Okay, July 1st, 2022. It's gonna be
Okay.
at 8:30 a.m., okay? Hopefully that
Yes,
gives you enough
ma'am.
time to complete the class, okay?
Can I have that number again for the or can I just go down there? Cause I registered, but I don't know how it works because I work midnights.
Let me see if I still had a number. You ready for the
Okay.
number?
Yes, ma'am.
313
Okay.
879
Okay.
2155.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Okay, sir. Hopefully that month is enough time for you to complete that task, okay?
It will be, and thank you so much.
You're very welcome. And you have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you did. I know you got it.
We're ready on Worthy whenever the court is ready.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Gabrielle Worthy. This is ticket number P1259935. One count 26 to 30 miles over posted speed limit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P7607 on behalf of Mr. Worthy. Your Honor, this matter is a civil infraction. I do have authority to act on my client's behalf. I did have an opportunity to speak with Officer Robinson this morning. In order to further plea negotiations, Your Honor, we spoke about my client completing a defensive driving course. So I'm just going to ask the court to adjourn this matter so that my client can make sure he gets that done in order to further plea negotiations.
Okay, how much time do you need?
I would ask for a 30-day adjournment, Your Honor.
That's fine. Court's gonna adjourn this matter to check with your calendar to make sure it's okay. July 1st, is that okay for both?
July 1st, I will not be in the office, Your Honor.
Okay. When will you be returning back to the office, just so I can know?
On the 5th.
Okay, July 5th works for the court. Does that work for you, Officer Robinson?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
All right, July 5th, we'll return for further negotiations after you complete that court.
That at 8:30, Your Honor?
That's at 8:30. I apologize. Fine, let's continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good day, both of you.
You too.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Welcome. Officer Jennings, I'm gonna give Mr. Williams until 9:45, then I'll call his matter and call him papers if he doesn't come in.
Yes, ma'am. Understandable, ma'am.
No problem. Just a few more minutes, I'll give him.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Attorney Kramer?
Hi, sorry, I had some technical difficulties.
No, that's fine. I'll be calling the case at 9:45 if the officer doesn't show up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I need a breakout room on Yarborough and Seville Williams. Saval.
Okay. All right, I'll put you on Yarborough first.
That's 6, okay.
Oh, yeah, oh, oh. I forgot he was at 8:30 this morning. Mr. Kramer, Attorney Kramer?
Hi, I'm sorry. I'm here.
No, you're fine. My clerk reminded me that this was on the docket for 8:30 a.m. I apologize.
That's
All
okay.
right.
No problem.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Saeed. This is ticket number X 4013881. This is one count of speed freeway 25 plus miles over. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Attorney Jack Kramer, P77490 on behalf of Mr. Zaidi. It appears that the officer is not present or checked in. Your Honor, I'd respectfully request that the matter be dismissed.
Okay, and now, you have authority to act on behalf of your client, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. At this time, it is now 9:44 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. No officer has appeared, so the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I also ask the court to correct the abstract? This matter was defaulted because the court did not enter my appearance. So if the court could please correct the abstract and remove it, I would really appreciate it.
Let's see if we can.
Thank you, Judge.
Earlier, so I'm gonna see if we can.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Williams. This is ticket number P1156248. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. Counsel may not be in. Officer, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Jennings, badge 195 out the 4th precinct.
The time is now 9:45 a.m. This matter was scheduled at 9 a.m. David Williams, and let me just check and make sure. David Williams has not appeared before this court at this present time, so the court is going to issue a bench warrant on his behalf. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will do my best. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye.
And Seville Williams.
Okay. I tried to get the other person out. Also, Bell Williams. Okay, he's in room 8. There you go.
Uh, Your Honor, if I may,
You may.
Seville Williams, it's a drunk driving. And he said he had already pled on that and completed probation.
No, so here's the problem. It's not really a problem, but, so he had a the only thing about, well, it is what it is. So he had a companion case that was a domestic violence, okay, I need John. Let me get John. He did not plead to this though. It was dismissed and he pled to something else, but they left this open.
Yeah, because he said he served 2 years. It's probably on the domestic violence then.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna put Attorney Gillis and Mr. Faulkner in room 1, okay?
Okay,
He's gonna talk to you about that matter, Attorney Faulkner, about Val Williams.
okay. I need some help. So, Roommate, roommate.
Who do we have ready, Mr. Faulkner, if anybody?
We have some here. Andre, no, I gotta talk to Andre. We got that Shanika Wallace review,
Okay,
Saval Williams, Robert Yarborough.
okay.
We're ready on those three.
Williams finally, Wallace came out, I called for her the first time, but I see she's back in the phone now, so.
Who was that? Williams or Wallace?
Wallace, yeah.
Sort of mixed up. It was another judge that gave that sentence. It wasn't you.
Yeah. I don't see him though, he must have logged out by accident, so he'll sign back on. Ms. Wallace,
Yes, good morning, Judge.
good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shantanique Wallace. This is ticket number P349963. This is one count of failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. This is a date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
My name is Shantanique Wallace.
Your Honor, it appears my client had a choice to make, either community service or Detroit at work. She went to Detroit at work, and she picked one or two areas she wanted to be in, but they didn't have the funding for it. The funding ran out today, I guess. So she doesn't have any possibilities there at this time. She does have a job now, which she didn't have, I believe, when she was in here before. And she states she did some community service. Is that correct, ma'am, what I've stated?
Yes, I have this a community service when I was first sentenced to community service with the church
She
before.
doesn't have proof, though.
Why didn't you get proof, Ms. Wallace?
I tried to reach out to the church, but it was we just had conflicts with, the phone calls or whatever, but I don't have any proof. I'm sorry, I don't.
What happened with the Detroit at Work program?
The first program that I initially picked, customer service call center, they did no longer have that program. So I picked the IT professional one, which I'm still awaiting the funding for that program. So I just have the email from my career advisor saying, you're still on the wait for that program. That's all I have. But since now I have started employment, so once they do have funding, I will have to reevaluate the times of that class that I did pick because I'm working full time.
Well, the important part was for you to work full time. So
Yes.
if you do want to enhance yourself and do something through the program, that's fine. But my main goal was to get you working again. And if you're working again, then it's accomplished at this point in time. Do you have any resources or anything available for you to be able to? Hold on a minute. One second, okay, Ms. Wallace?
Okay.
Where are you currently employed, if you don't mind me asking?
I work at the Parker Franklin nursing home in Southfield, and I've been employed there since December 29th. So right after our court date, I went and seek the employment.
I love it. I love it. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
I can tell you're proud too, so I love it.
Yes, I am. I'm in the process of clearing up all my tickets, so I'm not sure if you can see, but since then I had also paid all my tickets down to zero with Dearborn, all my tickets down to zero with Southfield, and you guys was the last one.
She just paid $290 here.
All right. I give to you. I'm gonna waive any remaining things that you need to do. So we'll take it as you've done all the work that you need to do. I'm just gonna close this matter out, okay? Good luck to
Okay.
you.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. I appreciate it.
I know, just get your license if you don't have it. Just make sure you
I
get your
am.
license.
That's the next step.
I know.
I-
And then so you sign back on and tell me when you got your license. So I'm like, go ahead, Miss Wallace.
Okay. I'm working
Okay.
on it in the process. In the process.
Keep pushing, all right?
All right. Thank you so much. You guys
You're
have a good
very-
day.
So thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Robert Yarborough?
Hello?
Hello? Can't see for some reason. Is your camera blocked? You turned it on.
I'm trying to figure out.
There you go.
All right. Not calling the matter of the people versus Robert Yarborough. This is ticket number P 11444798. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Robert Yarborough?
Your Honor, is an offer to plead guilty of the unregistered motor vehicle. The understanding that no insurance charge to be dismissed.
You want to take that offer today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand.
I didn't understand you.
Raise your right hand because you're breaking up a little bit. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I can't hear anything.
I know, it's because you're outside and the wind's blowing and it's not real good internet connection on your behalf. That's why you can't hear anything. Is there some place that you can inside of anything?
It's coming in better now.
Okay, good.
Can you hear us okay?
You better?
Yes.
All right. Keep that hand raised for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, Mr. Yarborough. Did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Faulkner in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future? Sir?
I didn't hear you.
I said, do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future? You understand that? Sir? Mr. Yarborough?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys stop. I don't know what's going on with your internet. You were in a real good spot and then you moved away. away from that spot.
So I'm not able to hear everything you're saying.
All right. Cut your camera off. Sometimes that's helpful.
You say turn the camera off?
Yeah, turn the camera off. All right. Do you understand that you have the right to a bench or jury trial, but by taking the guilty plea today, you're gonna give that right up? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of January the 17th of 2021. Were you in the area of Hubble and Tyler Streets in the city of Detroit driving an Acura vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you stopped by police officers?
Yes.
And did you at that point in time not have the car registered with the Secretary of State's office?
Correct.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, we didn't. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, dismiss count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Sir, are you currently employed or do you have a source of income?
I'm currently working, doing home improvement.
Okay. If I assess a $200 fine, would you be able to pay that?
Not all at one time.
Oh, that's fine. I can give you an amount of time to be able to pay it. How long do you need? 60 or 90 days?
90.
Okay. I'll give you until September the 1st to have this paid. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Hopefully you'll be able to pay it by then. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Same to you.
All right. Bye.
Andre Williams, do we have a courtroom for him? I mean, a breakout room? Thank you. Therese Wright, do you know what number he's in? I can get in there, Judge. I just need to know the number.
Okay. You said, right, Jerice Wright is in room 4.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Ms. Wilson,
Sorry.
it's okay. You need to get back to the room.
Yes, my phone died. I got kicked out of the room. Thank you.
Did you talk to him already?
No, I did not.
Okay, all right. He's coming to talk to you. Don't worry. I'll put you into room number, let me see, room number 6, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
No, thank you for your patience this morning. I know it's been a long morning, but we haven't forgotten about you, okay, Ms. Wilson?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So Dejan, I think it's Wilson,
It's Deja. She just, she's in room 6.
6, okay.
I think it's Deja. You can ask her.
Yeah, Daygn or En. Okay, room 6.
No problem, sweetheart. I'm up in the courtroom. Yeah, in the courtroom.
Mr. Williams, did you log off by accident?
Yes, ma'am. My battery died. I was at work.
Okay, all right. So when it's time for you to do yours, you're gonna have to put your camera in focus, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna mute you for right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, can you turn off your camera too? You know how to do that? Turn off your camera for right now. Okay.
Is John around?
He actually is. He's here, Mr.
John?
Costner.
On Dejan Wilson?
Mr. Bob. You're welcome, of course.
Yes.
The offer was that you had to get an adjourned to talk to the vice squad about some, I think sexual related cases or something. The charges on the docket are just for driving. Nothing to do with,
Okay,
vice or
these,
anything.
yep, and this does indicate that they're in warrant status. So there are some additional tickets. Yeah, there are two vice tickets. One's a no sexually oriented business license and one is walking off stage semi-nude. So being that they're old, we have office policies where we kind of have to treat these as a priority, but I'm not so sure that these officers are still with DPD. I don't recognize the names, so I thought maybe we could set it for trial and see if they're even still around.
What are the names? I could maybe,
Have Jay Dooley
no
and
idea,
E. Frederick.
no idea.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with either, so.
Okay,
And I don't
okay,
think they're
well,
currently with Vice, so I think Miss Wilson's best bet might be to set them for trial and see if they appear.
okay,
And even if they do appear, if they have recollection.
yeah, okay. How old are the cases?
2015,
Yeah, okay,
so they're, fairly old.
yeah. Cause she said she wouldn't know anything about, she'd never been in a club before, but we'll see. Okay,
Yeah, it was, if it helps, it does say it was, the club was called Sphinx.
okay.
It's on Plymouth.
Okay, thanks, John.
You're welcome.
He's in room 6. Laquita Williams.
She is in room number 5.
You,
5.
Judge,
Yes,
hi, can I step away for about 5 minutes?
you sure can. Just let me know when you return, okay?
All right, I will. Thank you.
Absolutely.
David Williams. I think it's my last one. Please.
He's not on anymore.
Okay,
Okay, you know what, David Williams was a trial and he didn't show up, so I issued a bitch warrant, but then he ended up calling, so I had to recall. So now we just have to wait for the court reporter to come back home, okay?
Okay, well, I can remember everything said.
Okay, cool. So you spoken to everybody else?
I believe so, Your Honor. It looks,
Bob, Ms. Wilson, Raymond Williams, Laquita Williams, Jerice Wright, and Andre Williams.
it looks like I got all those.
Okay.
You know, I start out real neat and everything's real, then I do it while we're talking. And then it's not so neat.
Listen, I totally understand.
I'd put a doctor to shame in handwriting.
Hi, I'm back.
Fantastic, thank you.
Yes, ready when the court is ready.
Okay. All right. Miss Deja Wilson?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Wilson, do you have a jacket or something you can put on real quick?
A jacket? No, I'm actually in the car.
Okay, try and keep the camera up to your face, okay? Now calling the matters of the people versus Deja Wilson. This is U ticket 2310975. This is one count of license. U ticket 226-87515. Another count of no license in a business. Ticket number P 1210168, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P 712753, 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number 154438685, count 1, no insurance, no operator's license. Count 2, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am? Ms. Wilson, your name?
Yes, Deja Wilson.
Your Honor, the city has requested an adjournment so they can get the officers in on a trial date throughout to try to take care of those 2 old cases. We have no objection. Request for a bench trial date.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna set this for, can you please raise your right hand?
Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry.
It's okay, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney, that'll be Mr. Faulkner, in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Correct.
Okay. All right, I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of, yes, it is, October the 4th of 2022. That's going to be at 9 a.m. That's via Zoom. So the same way you logged on today, log on that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on each one of these matters. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, ma'am. Mr. Williams? Sawale Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna call this matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sawale Williams. This is Z ticket 806681. This is 1 count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
My name is Swaville Williams, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea. Waives his right to a jury trial, request a bench trial date.
All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yeah, that's what you told me. That's what you had told me last time we had talked as well. You said the bench trial would be the so I told you I get the bench trial now.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial. It's going to be kind of a quick turnaround because this is one of my older cases. So it's going to be June 22nd at 9 a.m. Okay. June 22nd, 9 a.m. via Zoom. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have a
That way
question.
we're trying to resolve this as soon as possible, okay? It's one of my older cases.
Okay, I have one question.
Yes, sir. What's your question?
I don't know. When you told me I can go to the kiosk to pay off some of the money, I haven't been able to do that because I had just got catching my three sons' sports. I guess how do I go about putting some money into the whatever the case is for, or do I hold on to that?
So if you want to start paying on your cases, you can either physically come down to 36th District Court and try and pay it. You can try paying it online as well. If you look up your name, they'll pull up all the cases that you have and you can start making some payments towards those costs and fines that you have, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
You can go to the kiosks too. You just have to find the one that's close to you. You can pay it there too, but you can also go online or physically come down here. You can make it like your thing that you come down here once a month and put some money on it. Once you set some aside, you can do that too. Any way you want to take care of it. I just know that in order to get your license back, you're gonna have to pay those costs and fines down, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, but I'll see you back June 22nd via Zoom at 9 a.m. We'll have your bench trial then on that case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll take
You
care
have
of
a
it
great
then. If there's nothing-
your summer.
All right, if there's nothing
All right.
further, that concludes this hearing. Your bond is continued, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Okay. You said my bond is continued.
You have to have a bond because it's a misdemeanor, Mr. Williams, that's why, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's at $0 personal, nothing to worry about. Just come back.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I appreciate it.
No problem, I know, Mr. Williams, I got you.
All right. I don't know how to exit off.
All right. Miss Raymond Williams?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Now calling the matters of the people versus Raymond Williams. This is ticket number P 1126016, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1287461, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Raymond Williams. Raymont.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I believe there's a total of three plates, two improper plates, the other two to be dismissed.
All right, is that how you want to proceed today, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand.
Oh, hold on, whoa, this is my right. This is my right.
The other right there.
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I want to take you back to the date of December the 4th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chevy in the area of Schoolcraft and Bond Streets in the city of Detroit?
Can you repeat 2000 and?
This was last year, so in December
Oh, yes,
4th,
yes, ma'am. December 4th, yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
21, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Schoolcraft and Bond?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you stopped by police officers?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have any insurance on that car at that time?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count of the amended charge, improper plate. I'm going to dismiss ticket SP 1287461 and P 1126016. So are you currently employed or have a source of income? You're welcome.
Pardon me?
Are you currently employed or have a source of income?
Actually, I'm doing catch work now for the Easter market. I'm not employed because I just had a baby, and I had a double tragic with two of my kids' mother passed away. Just last week, my other daughter mother passed away, and I had my oldest daughter mother tragically got killed last month. So I was at a funeral with 2 months prior, and my mom having a stroke, me having to take care of my mom, and I just had a child, I have a newborn that's 5 months, so my income has been rough for me lately. So, but I can, try my best and make the payments.
All right, first, let me, the court extend their condolences to you, sir, on all of these losses. I'm sorry to hear that. That can be a whole lot on you.
Yes, thank you. I have the obituary right here.
Okay.
That's one of my child's mother right here.
I'm so sorry to hear that, sir.
Yes.
Okay, you ended up paying one of the tickets, that it was a civil infraction. I think you ended up paying that ticket on there.
Yes.
All right.
Can I ask one question, Miss Taylor?
Judge Taylor, yes.
Yes, Judge Taylor. During this process, I have been incarcerated on a technicality of this. Does that get credit for anything?
He spent 24 days in jail, Your Honor, because of this ticket.
He got what?
He spent 24 days, I believe it was, in jail. December 4th.
Yes, and I got out Christmas Eve.
To December 24th.
Because of the ticket before us?
Yes, it was during, the same ticket.
You must have had a bond. You have a bond on one of these? Of last year you went to jail?
Yes, December the 4th, and I got out Christmas Eve, luckily. Excuse me.
All right, we do confirm that you were in jail. The court is going to close this out with time served.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, and keep pushing and keep fighting through all that you're going through right now. Okay, sir?
Yes, I will. And I thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too, sir. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I just hang up.
Yep, you just hang up, sir. Go ahead and leave the meeting.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Andre Williams?
Parking.
I'll get you out. Mr. Andre Williams? Unmute yourself, sir. See how I'm asking you to unmute? There
Can you
go.
hear me?
I can. All right. There were also, you got somebody at your door? All right. There were also 3 state tickets, Attorney Faulkner, with this matter. It was a no proof of insurance, defective, or missing equipment and an improper plate. 1, 2, 3. I'll dismiss them as a part of this plea, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
That means he's gonna have to pay them for the other 2. Now calling the matters of the people versus Andre Williams. This is ticket number SP 1249371. Improper plate. Case number SP 1239185. 1 count defective or missing equipment. Ticket number SP 124938183. 1 count no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 124937711. 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 123918161. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 124938181. 1 count disregard red signal or amber signal. Ticket number SP 12493-182, one count no receipt of registration, and ticket number SP 1239181, one count improperly displayed dirty obscure plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. In your name, sir?
Andre Williams.
Your Honor, per the pre-agreement, my client plead guilty to one count of improper plates and another count of no registration. The rest to be dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's one civil infraction and one misdemeanor, right?
That I'm not positive on, Your Honor.
Yes, improperly displayed dirty or obscure plate.
Yeah, okay, that would be civil.
That's no points, right?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Faulkner in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 14th of 2021. Were you in the area of eastbound Davidson and McNichol Street in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, on the date of August the 17th, 2021, reading from the ticket that Mr. Williams was driving a Toyota vehicle in the area of Evergreen and Plymouth, and his plates were improperly displayed, dirty or obscure at the time. Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea as charged to drive a registered or untitled vehicle and a plea of responsible to improperly display dirty or obscure plate. The court is going to dismiss tickets number SP 12493-712, SP 12391-852, SP 12493-183, SP 12391-861, SP 12493-181, and 2 of that particular ticket. Sir, are you currently employed to have a source of income?
Yes, I just got a job with Western Trucking.
Okay, I'm gonna assess you a fine of $200 per ticket, because I dismissed so many tickets today, but I'll give you 90 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time to come up with $400?
Yeah. I just buried my mother last Monday, so yeah, that's enough time. I need, yeah. And it don't go, oh, I'm sorry.
No, September 1st is the date that it's due. Is that gonna be, that's good?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
And then what did you say? You were asking me a question about something?
I just got a job with the trucking company, so it don't go on, like the tickets don't go on my license. I mean, on my driving
These
record.
are 0 points, non-extractable tickets, okay? So what that means is that these matters won't go to the Secretary of State's office. Am I correct, Attorney Faulkner?
My understanding, Your Honor.
So they won't be affected. It won't show up as something on your trucking record, okay, for your license. I know that's important.
Yes, I got 6 kids.
And you gotta take care of all of them. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Thank
sir. So I'll have it due no later than September the 1st, 2022. It's gonna be $400, okay?
Yes, Sean. So I can just, when I come back in town, I could just go downtown and I could do I wait on something in the mail to pay, or I just show
Nope,
up?
just come downtown and start making payments on it. I would try and do like, if you can, like $100 a month. So that way you make it until, you need an extra month, or is 3 months gonna be enough time?
No, Your Honor, that's enough time, and the total is what's the total?
400, I did $200 per ticket, because I just missed like 6 tickets, so I had to charge you for those 2 tickets, sir.
Okay, thank you. $400 by September 1st. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. We just missed 6, and you only cleared the 2, so I gotta get you a little bit with the money issue, okay?
Yeah, no problem. Yes, Your Honor, yes.
All right, you have a good day, okay? Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Me, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
Don't hang up now?
Yep, you can hang up
All
now.
right, yeah. Okay, all right.
All right, Ms. Lakita Williams?
Yes,
All right, ma'am. You ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakita Williams. This is ticket number 457620. This is one count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Laquita Williams.
Your Honor, my client would tender a plea of guilty to the reduced charge from no operator's license to improper plates.
All right. Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, that's right.
If so, please raise your right hand. Are you trying to get to someplace different in the factory?
It's allowed.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms.
Okay.
Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea?
Yes.
All right. I want to take you back to the date, ma'am, of the April the 28th of 2018. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Van Dyke and East Outer Drive in the city of Detroit?
It wasn't a Dodge, but I was driving. Yes.
Okay.
It was a different vehicle.
Okay. You were driving a vehicle in that area though?
Yes, I was.
And did you have a valid operator's license at that time that you were able to give the officer?
Yes.
You had a valid operator's license?
I didn't have a license on me, no.
Okay. All right, satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a do you have a valid license now, ma'am?
No, I tried to take it, but they told me I had to, I tried to take it last week. They told me I had to wait till, for my court date to get a paper from you guys, so I can take it. So they wouldn't let me take it.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of the amended charge improper plates on this particular matter. That way it won't affect you trying to get your license, okay? Sometimes fail to display will affect you trying to get your license, but improper plates. All right, I do assess a fine in the amount of $400. Will you be able to pay that, ma'am? Because you won't be able to get this closed until you pay this ticket. Is that gonna be too much for you?
Can I pay? I just got the job that I'm working at now. I just started 2 days ago. Can I pay it next month? If that's okay?
Well, 60 days, Your Honor, sounds like.
Second, okay? I'm always checking on stuff, trying to make sure I can put y'all in the best situation, especially because you're trying to get your license. I imagine it so you can get back to work, back and forth easier.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, both. Okay, you pay both of the civil infractions that went with this ticket, so the court is gonna waive your cost and fines on this one, okay? You're all
Thank
set.
you.
may have to reinstate. You're welcome. You may have.
I do have a
reinstate.
question. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Will I have any,
when I have any points on my license, when I do get them back?
Well, you pled to some civil infractions, and I think some of those civil infractions have points in them that you paid for.
Mhm.
So you're gonna have to see, because I think turning right at let me look. Turning, fail to stop or turning wrong, those have.
Turning wrong.
Yeah, you pay
Yeah.
them, no, but you have points on them, so I'm not gonna cost, you may have a reinstatement fee for this particular ticket, I don't know, check online.
Okay.
At the end of the to see, but I'm gonna waive any costs and fines you have, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Good luck to you, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And last but not least, Jerice White, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a state office?
I'm sorry.
Now, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to Attorney Faulkner. You know.
I'm sorry.
It was.
I just got a recommendation for dismissal. That's all.
I know that was for count one. I apologize. Count two is consuming marijuana, and that's a state matter. So what do you want to do? You want to have him, you want me to try and get an offer, or you want to, set this for a bench trial?
On the marijuana charge, I moved to miss today if the court would entertain it. State case, and it's marijuana, which,
So I only have the offer on the first count. The second count is the state. You want me to try? Let me see if I can get Ms. Cole to join us. Hold tight. this, Attorney Faulkner, on count 2, she's willing to do a 3-month delay sentence. If he pays my costs and fines, it will be dismissed at the end of that period. You want to talk to him about that in the room for a moment?
Yes,
Okay, he's gonna talk to you about this offer that's being extended to you, Mr. Wright, so that you can know all that goes with it, okay? And the other ticket will be dismissed, but that ticket will be 3-month delayed. All right, he's in room number 4, Mr. Faulkner. Attorney
Okay.
Faulkner.
it says 5 that I'm going to.
I
I
know,
can
but
get
go
to,
for it.
I'll get to
I'm
4.
Okay.
There, you just did it for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are we
We're ready, Your
on
Honor.
this? Okay. Now calling the quick matter of the people.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jerry's, right? This is ticket number P1208-158, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, consuming marijuana while operating motor vehicle, motorboat or off-road vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Jerice Wright.
Your Honor, on the state marijuana charge, my client is continuing his plea of not guilty, waives his right to a jury trial and requests a bench trial date.
All right, well, that plea is contingent on, the plea to the state ticket, so I'll just put everything on that one ticket.
No problem, Your Honor.
Sir, could you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Wright, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of October the 4th. October the 4th, via Zoom. So the same Zoom number you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in on that day. I'm
You say
gonna set your-
October 4th?
Huh?
You said October 4th?
October 4th,
Okay, October 4th.
same Zoom number. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Same everything, okay? I'll see you
Okay,
then.
what time? Same time?
9 a.m. That's a good
Okay,
question. I'm
9 a.m.
sorry, 9 a.m.
Okay, 9 a.m. Look, I'm on it, don't worry.
I see you writing everything down, and I really appreciate it. That means you want to take care of this matter.
Okay,
All right. If there's
all
nothing
right, I'm all
further,
set.
you're all set, sir. Thank you so much.
All
I'll see
right,
you what
thank you.
day?
Y'all have a good day.
Okay, what date am I seeing you?
October 4th at 9 o'clock in the morning.
That's right, via Zoom. Thank you so much, sir.
All righty.
All right, have a good day.